The strategy of my organization is based on two important findings. The first one, farmers' income. The cocoa farmers around the world are usually underpaid, and we could say that the chocolate industry today has been building up his wealth, has been creating value by underpaying the farmers. The second finding is about innovation. We work in an industry, the chocolate and cocoa industry, that has not been bringing an innovation on the market for the last 50 years. These two elements, farmers' income and innovation, properly combined under some leading principle, gave us a strategy that we consider today as highly disruptive for our industry. Indeed, we started to look at the chocolate and cocoa supply chain with new eyes. We believed that by improving and changing the supply chain, we would be able to create some disruption on the market. And therefore, we started to work on a full vertical integration from farmers to chocolate with the intention of creating value by improving the quality of the chocolate and not capturing the value 100%, but sharing the value with the cocoa farmers, hence solving partially the problem of farmers' income. By doing that, we increase the willingness to pay of the market, and therefore we inject value in the supply chain, such value being shared between our organization and one of the stakeholders, which is the farmers. This is the opportunity for our organization to create a totally disruptive strategy that is based on combining innovation, sustainability and value creation. In other words, we are trying to move the feasibility frontier up so that all our competitors end up being under this frontier. Our organization encourages innovation basically because innovation has been in the DNA of such organization since its creation. The success of the organization is based on innovation, and innovation is used as the main tool of creating competitive advantages. So any innovative idea in our organization will be welcomed. However, as it's a big organization, execution of the innovative ideas can be a little bit slow, to say the least. In terms of improvement, I can see two angles in which our organization could benefit from improvement. The first one is architecture. We are working under a matrix organization, which is not ideal and it's not very innovative friendly. Matrix organizations are good to deliver KPIs and keep everything under control, but let's say that the openness and the spirit that is necessary for innovation is not necessarily favored by a matrix organization. The second angle is routine. As we are opening new process in the strategy of a vertical integration, we have to create new routines around the world, and this is going to request serious HR resource, mobilization, financial resource, CapEx and OpEx. But I am confident that if we improve architecture and routine in our organization, the strategy implementation is going to be successful.